My name is Umberto di Venosa and I'm the CEO and founder of Follow the Camino. Follow the Camino was set up in 2006. We saw an opportunity to provide and sell working holidays. Nearly 20 years later, we now have 25 staff and we have customers from all around the world. Follow the Camino, we specialize on the Camino de Santiago in Spain, or the Way of St. James, which is an ancient pilgrimage route and ends up in Santiago de Compostela in the northwest of Spain, which is a lovely city with the tomb of the Apostle St. James. And a great cathedral. So I suppose it's a great journey for people. It's a lifetime adventure. Our mission is to organize complex holidays that make people happy. The way we operate is to treat every customer almost like a friend. We want to interact with them. We want to know what are they up to. Some people want to work more, some people want to work less, some people work for various reasons, and we try to really adapt to them as opposed to just selling something off the shelf. What does it mean in reality? It means that we want to provide great customer service. So that would differentiate from us. What differentiates us as well is we are the only B-Corp Camino operator worldwide. As part of the Zoho One package, Zoho Analytics has been really a game changer for me as a manager. I remember the days where monthly we would do an Excel extra export and try to say sales by booking date, by closing date. It was a bit of a nightmare. Thanks to Zoho Analytics, we have report, let's say number of leads reports monthly to make it easy, or number of sales inquiries, bookings. These are updated live. They're always up to date. That to me is amazing. We use Zoho Analytics by asking questions and we get the answer from our data. And Zoho Analytics is that platform in between that allows us. Sometimes we want the response in a table because numbers are important, but sometimes something a bit more visual is much better. And similarly, you can do the same report with the same information, but for different uses. Zoho Analytics is used throughout the company. Follow the Camino consultants have access to their own dashboards. How many leads have I received? How many open sales inquiries do I have this month? How many did I close monthly? My targets, all of these things are in there. We can overlay an objective bar on their report so that in January, let's say that their objective is 500 trips to sell. They know that they're at 50 or 100. So they have these things to look forward to. Super handy, super efficient. We use a good number of reports for sales, for operations, for marketing, same thing, you name it. And we've integrated these in dashboards. And same thing when you are questioning data. What's our closing rate with country United States, for example? That's one question, but the next question is per marketing channel. Again, in Zoho Analytics, we use some filtering system, either per report or per dashboard, so that anytime we change that filter, the whole reporting will change. This is just amazing to me. Zoho Analytics for us is plugged into different data sets. Obviously, there is the Zoho platforms data, such as Zoho CRM, Zoho campaigns, all of these things, but also external platforms. Zoho, Google Analytics, Google AdWords, social media as well, which means that again, when you're asking questions, eventually you can cross the data and get an answer from this data. So either we can import some data, so we import some Google AdWords data into Zoho Analytics, which gives us, again, a monthly ROI. How much does a booking cost us? And you don't have to go here to your bills, into your accounts package and write it into your Excel, how many leads and stuff like this. This is all automated, really handy. Sometimes we even have created some report that go beyond that for very, very specific things, where you need to change data from different tables. Zoho is very handy, it's very user-friendly. When you're looking at data, if you ask the question properly, it helps you get a more accurate view of things. Sometimes we have a feeling that sales are going down in a specific country or up in another country. That might be a perception, but within Zoho Analytics, what we can do is that we can link a view per country, per region, even for leads or into the whole sales funnel, for example. And that has helped us over time either contradict some perception we had of what we were doing, of what was happening, and sometimes it has confirmed them. So again, It's data working for us to help us as managers, team leaders, operators of travel to make decisions.